What is calculus? Calculus was developed out of a need to understand continuously changing quantities.
Newton, for example, was trying to understand the effect of gravity which causes falling objects to constantly accelerate.
The speed of an object increases constantly every split second as it falls.
How can one, for example, determine the speed of a falling object at a frozen instant in time, such as its speed when it strikes the ground?
No mathematics prior to Newton and Leibniz's time could answer such a question, which appeared to amount to the impossibility to dividing 0 by 0.
The solution to this type of issue came to be known as the derivative.
Derivatives are slopes of particular lines called tangent lines, and the reader may recall that slope of a line is a concept of Descartes' graphing.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Calculus provides the foundation to physics, engineering, and many higher math courses. It is also important to chemistry, astronomy, economics, and statistics.
Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. Plug it back to the derivative. Take the slope and solve for x. Slope fields, get wrecked.
Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. He's a German that lived from 1646 to 1716.
A philosopher,
a scientist, a mathematician,
a diplomat,
and a lawyer.
Calculus was not the only thing Leibniz did. He contributed to philosophy, engineering, physics, law, politics, and theology.
Leibniz was known as the symbolic logic. Any item of information can be represented in a natural and systematic way known as the universal characteristics.
He discovered differential equations,
Discovering separation of variables.
Procedures for solving first-term linear equations.
Leibniz also discovered the binary number system and invented the first calculating machine that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide.
Uptown calculus, uptown calculus, uptown calculus, uptown calculus.
He is credited with the term function in 1964, which he used to describe a quantity related to a curve.
According to his notes, a critical breakthrough in his work here occurred on November 11, 1675, when he demonstrated integral calculus for the first time to find the area under the y is equal to x function. He introduced several notations used in calculus to this day.
Leibniz discovered calculus independently of Newton.
Leibniz's greatest achievement was the new method of calculus. However, it has been argued that Newton discovered it first. But we all know who the real founder was. They are credited for doing it at the same time.
Yes, Newton began working on his version in 1665, but Leibniz published his results in 1684, almost 3 years before Newton. However, the consensus is that they discovered the method simultaneously.
It was Leibniz's mathematics that eventually triumphed, and his notation and his way of writing calculus, not Newton's more clumsy notation.
Leibniz will always have his place in the history books.
Uptown calculus, 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 uptown calculus.